Welcome to Contendo Training Solutions Fundamentals of Steam-Assisted Gravity Drainage training course for bitumen processing. Contendo also offers Fundamentals of SAGD courses covering SAGD well pads, produced water deoiling, and water treatment. In this course, we discuss safety points relating to protection of personnel, equipment, and the environment, how gas vapors are removed and processed for use as fuel gas so that the bitumen meets sales oil specifications for vapor pressure, how water and water vapors are removed so that the bitumen meets sales oil specifications for water content, and how diluent is added so that the bitumen meets sales oil specifications for API gravity and viscosity. Our unique presentation of learning material provides something for all types of students, whether their strong suits are listening, reading, or watching. We combine narrated discussions with animations and other visuals to clarify each concept presented. Straightforward learning objectives are presented at the beginning of each chapter, while review sections reinforce what we have discussed. Chapters include printable worksheets for students to complete as they learn and individual tests that can be attempted after viewing each chapter. The steam-assisted gravity drainage process is a leading in-situ bitumen recovery technique. We discuss all aspects of bitumen processing in a SAGD facility, from recovered emulsions to sales oil. We describe the technologies and processes used to safely produce saleable oil from reserves of bitumen recovered from the oil sands. You will follow the bitumen as it flows through a model SAGD central processing facility and learn how it is processed from a high-pressure mixed emulsion of bitumen, water, and hydrocarbon gas to oil, meeting all sales oil specifications. We use a combination of narrated animations, text, and other visuals to demonstrate how a process operates. We start with diluent heating and injection into the produced emulsion for density adjustment of the bitumen. We follow the produced emulsion through the bitumen inlet section of a SAGD central processing facility where bulk separation of oil and water occurs in a free water knockout. The resulting produced emulsion diluent mixture then has most of the remaining water removed in an electrostatic treater to produce dehydrated dilbit. The dilbit flows through the sales oil stabilization system gas boot where it is reduced in pressure to bring it to sales specification. The separated hydrocarbon vapors are processed through the gas handling section of the stabilization system to produce fuel gas and hydrocarbon condensate. The sales oil is then stored until it can be transferred to the sales pipeline. We also follow the separation and recovery of produced gas from the produced gas separator, as it is processed for use as fuel gas in steam generation. Oily produced water and hydrocarbon liquids are removed and directed to their respective process trains. The produced gas joins other gas streams in the mixed fuel gas separator for liquid removal before being burned in the steam generators. Accumulated unbroken emulsions, called rag layers, are removed from separation vessels and tanks and processed through the flash treater to vaporize any remaining water from the dilbit so that it can rejoin the dehydrated dilbit flowing to the stabilization section. Hydrocarbon vapors from the flash treater are processed through the flash gas system to produce fuel gas and hydrocarbon condensate. A vapor recovery unit collects and processes various usable gas streams to produce fuel gas and hydrocarbon condensate. We include appropriate pressure safety valves throughout the entire process and include a gas flare system to accept and burn relief vapors and purge gases. Detailed descriptions of process control systems show how certain parameters up or downstream can affect local conditions. Control logic set points and commands explain how out-of-range process conditions can be dealt with, and comprehensive shutdown responses are demonstrated to show the relationships between various system components. Here, we show a vibration transmitter on the VRU compressor, and how a high vibration will alarm, tripping the compressor motor off to avoid damage, and simultaneously closing a gas recycle valve, the PV, and opening a compressor ring water bypass valve, the XV. As you progress through the course, you will see various warnings and safety points associated with the topic being discussed.
These can be represented as safety points to denote specific safety hazards and/or equipment used to mitigate the hazards, cautions to bring attention to possible hazards, or reminders to review material safety data sheets.
We use various graphs and charts to explain hazards such as hydrogen sulfide concentrations. Try the Contendo Fundamentals of SAGD Bitumen Processing course, and you will receive the best comprehensive process training available. Come on and see for yourself.